Welcome to Choice Champions. The best soaker hose is probably one of the most underrated yet essential tools for any gardener looking to provide consistent, deep watering to their plants without wasting a drop, transforming the chore of irrigation into an efficient, set-it-and-forget-it system that promotes healthier root growth and conserves water, making it an indispensable asset for both novice and experienced green thumbs aiming for lush, thriving gardens with minimal effort. Number 5. Solution 4 Patio 10-foot Red Garden Hose. Introducing the Solution 4 Patio 10-foot Red Garden Hose, designed for ultimate convenience. This innovative hose is significantly lighter than traditional options, making it incredibly easy to maneuver and store. Crafted from a patented material, it offers superior flexibility. You can roll it up effortlessly and store it in even the smallest spaces, ready for your next task. Don't let its light weight fool you. This hose is built to last. With a 363 psi burst strength and heavy-duty nylon reinforcement, it handles the most demanding tasks around your home and garden. Experience frustration-free watering with its innovative design that prevents tangling and kinking. Its robust fittings, combined with the included rubber gasket, ensure a leak-free connection every time. Whether it's scorching summer or freezing winter, this hose maintains its flexibility and performance. It withstands extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, resisting damage from oil and calcium buildup. Equipped with high-quality brass and aluminum fittings, it's perfect for both household and commercial applications. This durable solution ensures reliable performance wherever you need it. What we like. This hose stands out for its innovative lightweight and ultra-flexible design, making it incredibly easy to handle and store. Its robust construction ensures burst resistance and kink-free performance, even in extreme temperatures. If you are looking for a durable, easy-to-manage hose that performs reliably year-round, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract any points as the source was empty. Number 4. Flexon WS100 KITCN Soaker Hose Kit. Introducing the Flexon WS100 KITCN. This comprehensive 20-piece kit includes a 100-foot soaker hose and 20 connectors. It provides everything you need for efficient and effective watering. Its non-clogging porous design ensures water is distributed evenly across your plants. This promotes healthy growth and vibrant gardens. This efficient watering solution delivers consistent moisture directly to plant roots. It conserves water and significantly reduces runoff, making your garden more sustainable. Crafted from high-quality materials, it boasts durable construction. This ensures long-lasting performance, even in various weather conditions. Setting it up is incredibly easy. It comes with detailed instructions for straightforward installation and immediate use. It's ideal for a wide range of applications, from small gardens to large flower beds. Use it for all your landscaping projects. What we like. This product offers a comprehensive 20-piece kit, providing everything you need for an efficient watering system right out of the box. Its non-clogging porous design ensures even water distribution directly to plant roots, conserving water effectively. If you are setting up a new garden watering system and value a complete, water-saving solution, this kit is perfectly suited for you. What people say. Number 3. Gilmour 25-foot Flat Weeper Soaker Hose. Introducing the Gilmour 25-foot Flat Weeper Soaker Hose. This innovative hose is designed to provide consistent and targeted watering for all your garden needs. It's perfect for vegetable gardens, flower beds, and even around foundations. Crafted from 100% recycled vinyl, this lightweight hose is an environmentally conscious choice. Its clog-resistant fabric cover ensures a steady and even soak every time, keeping your plants perfectly hydrated. Install it above or below ground to deliver water directly to plant roots. This method significantly reduces waste, helping you save up to 80% of water compared to traditional watering. It's an incredibly efficient way to nourish your garden. This heavy-duty hose is made with durable, UV-resistant materials. It's engineered for continuous use, ensuring it will serve your garden reliably for many seasons to come. You can count on its long-lasting performance. Easily link this drip garden hose with others to create a custom DIY irrigation system. Design the perfect setup for your vegetables, herbs, flowers, and more. It offers flexible solutions for any garden layout. Its flat and flexible design makes storage incredibly easy. When the season ends, simply roll it up and store it away without taking up much space. This convenience ensures it's ready for next year. What we like. Crafted from 100% recycled vinyl with a clog-resistant fabric cover, this soaker hose is both eco-friendly and highly efficient. It can be installed above or below ground, delivering water directly to roots and saving up to 80% water. If you prioritize sustainability and efficient, targeted watering for your garden beds, this flexible and versatile hose is an ideal pick. What people say. The hose delivers water directly to the plant roots, minimizing waste. It provides a slow and steady release of water, ideal for deep soil saturation. Number 2. Atlantic Heavy-Duty 10-Foot Garden Leader Hose. Constructed with 3 layers of high-quality materials, it's designed for durability. This ensures long-lasting performance, even in challenging outdoor conditions. Despite its robust build, this hose remains remarkably soft and flexible. This makes it easy to maneuver around your garden, preventing frustrating kinks or tangles. It features solid brass connectors, ensuring excellent durability. These provide a secure connection, preventing leaks for a reliable watering experience every time. Measuring just the right length, this short leader is ideal for connecting your hose reel or faucet. It offers convenient water flow control to your main garden hose. It's suitable for a variety of outdoor tasks, from watering plants to cleaning decks or washing cars. This reliable tool will meet all your gardening and outdoor needs. What we like. This heavy-duty hose is built with 3 layers of high-quality materials, ensuring exceptional durability for tough outdoor conditions. Despite its robust build, it remains remarkably soft and flexible, making it easy to handle without kinks. If you need a reliable, short leader hose with premium solid brass connectors for secure, leak-free connections, this durable option is a great fit. What people say. Number 1. YAMATIC Heavy-Duty Short Garden Hose with Swivel Fitting. Introducing the YAMATIC Heavy-Duty Short Garden Hose. It features an innovative hybrid material, making it incredibly flexible and lightweight for all your needs. This hose works perfectly in any weather, from 25 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. This hose is engineered for superior strength and durability. It can withstand a burst pressure of 600 psi and a working pressure of 200 psi. Equipped with heavy-duty solid brass fittings, it ensures long-lasting performance for both home and commercial use. Experience true anti-kink technology. Its fantastic flexible material allows it to uncoil and lay flat instantly, then snap back into shape to fight kinks as you move it. Plus, an upgraded 360-degree swivel fitting further enhances its kink resistance. You can trust this hose for a leak-free experience. Both it and its brass connectors comply with RoHS standards and are made from recyclable materials. This ensures your health and helps keep our planet clean. Setting it up is simple. After unboxing, just connect it to your equipment and open the water faucet. It will automatically straighten under water pressure, ready for immediate use. We stand by our product with excellent customer service. If you encounter any issues or have technical questions, our team is available 7 days a week, 24 hours a day to assist you. What we like. Featuring innovative hybrid material, this hose offers super flexibility and lightweight handling across all weather conditions. Its anti-kink technology, enhanced by a 360-degree swivel fitting, ensures a truly kink-free experience. If you value extreme flexibility, superior kink resistance, and high burst strength for both home and commercial tasks, this hose delivers top-tier performance. What people say. No positive points could be extracted as the source JSON for product reviews was empty. The request to quote from original content and not fabricate points cannot be fulfilled without source reviews. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.